Good morning, children. We are revising chapter 3, that is celebrating our diversity. In last class, we have discussed about Ganesh Chaturthi, Navratri, Eid ul Fitr, etc. In this class, I will discuss with you Onam. Onam, the carnival of Kerala. It is presented by Gandhi House. A girl dressed in white cotton sari with a golden border narrated. Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It marks the homecoming of the legendary king Mahabali. It is celebrated in the beginning of the month of Chingam, the first month of Malayalam calendar. The legend of King Mahabali. King Mahabali was the domain king of Kerala. His rule was a period of golden age. People were very happy, prosperous, and lived in harmony. His rule come to an end when Lord Vishnu took the avatar of Vaman and pushed King Mahabali deep into the earth to destroy his ego. Because of his love of people, the Lord granted King Mahabali a wish that he could visit his kingdom once in a year. The highlights of Onam are Poklam, floral rangoli, new clothes for the family, and the grand feast called Unasaida. It consists of various types of curious paripu, sambar, rasam, kottu, papadam, pradhanam, paisam, rice, mango, pickles, and coconut chutney. The snake boat race and the famous Kathakali dance attract thousands of the tourists of Kerala. Do you know? Pulikali tiger dance is a popular feature of Onam celebration where hundreds of men dressed as tigers dance to the beat of drums. It takes 4 hours to paint and decorate each person to look like a lion. The best dancer and decorated lion man are awarded prizes. Navroz, presented by Sarojini House. The house captain narrated Jamshede Naroz is a Parsi's New Year. It is celebrated on the first day of the first month of Shahansahi calendar, which is followed by followers of Zoroastrian faith. The festival celebrates rejuvenation and rebirth. Parsis clean and decorate their homes with rangolis made up of jasmine and rose flowers. Do you know? Parsis are a small religious community of India. They arrived in Gujarat region from Iran. A major part of Parsi population lives in Mumbai. They are the followers of the Iranian prophet Zoroaster. The holy book of Parsis is a Zend Avesta. On Nowruz, the Parsis prayer offer their prayers in a synagogue, the fire temple. They wish Shal Mubarak to each other and exchange gifts. The special feast on Nowruz includes Faluda, saffron pulao, and ravo. Fresh fruits, dried fruits, and variety of sweets are also served. Do you know Parsis go to the synagogue thrice on Nowruz to worship Khorshad and Meher, the two driven beings who presides over the sun and the moon respectively. Now come to the marriage celebration of India. Marriage celebration is presented by Nehru House. The house captain narrated, India is a land of diverse culture and religions. Each religion community has its own unique way of celebrating weddings. Different wedding rituals are followed in different parts of our country. Many traditions are common among different communities. A PowerPoint presentation displayed wedding celebration in various cultures on a big screen. A fun-filled presentation showcased various rituals of Hindu wedding like Mehndi, Sangeet, Barat, Kanyadan, Sindoor, Seven Feras and Bidai. The audience loved the folk dances and songs that were sung at different occasions. The second presentation showed a Sikh wedding. Anand Karj at the Gurudwara, the ceremony was presided over the Bhaji, a priest. The hymns were recited from the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikhs. The bride and groom went around the Guru Granth Sahib 4 times. The ceremony was very beautiful. Come to the next marriage ceremony, that is Christian wedding. Christian wedding was conducted by a priest in a church. The bride was wearing a beautiful white dress and a white veil. The groom was dressed in a suit. The couple exchanged rings and accepted each other as a husband and wife in the presence of family members and friends. The wedding ceremony was followed by reception where the wedding cake was cut by the couple. The marriage rituals may differ, but the essence of all wedding is the union of a couple, the two families. Here are some pictures of some Hindu marriage ceremonies. The inter-house celebration come to an end with lot of appreciation for the students and teachers who had presented the best features of Indian culture in a wonderful way. Children, here your chapter 3 is completed. Thank you. Have a good day.